Okay. Tubaniriza once again ku Kasuku Live. It's the YouTube channel. You so kunyiga ka button aka subscribe no likinga. Lwakubate channel yafa abantu abasinga atokubeerako tebasiba subscribe.
Balaba bulabe ne bagenda.
Analytics ziraga nti 70.2% abantu abatulaba tebali kuchi tebasiba subscriber. But anyway, tugenda mu mitwalo esatu.
A good number.
By the end of weekend etandika tujja kwa tuli mitwalo esatu.
Ba
subscriber. So mugende maaso tulika today tuliku ebiri kitundu mu lukaga. So tubulayo abantu nga bamekaawo.
Era nge 15.
Okuweza
emitwalo esatu
n'okusukamu. Tujja zifuna.
Of course. Account ya mine.
Okay. Omusajja ngona akomyewo bamuyita Nicholas Kalonji sokotemu obuze ku bantu pupya.
Abalabi ba Kasuku Live Nicholas Kalonji ge manya gange mwebale nnyo okuwagira kukuwaza banka soko.
Abantu bagamba nnyo nti naye Kasuku mwe musanga we mukwatira ekisinga obukulu information. Kuba kati ensi tekyayira nnyo budde. Omuntu w'omusanga kati bw'oba otambula n'ogwa ku Obama. Ng'ate omulinda nti tusooke tutereeze wano so wetufunira chance wetutuula ntutandika picking information gy'oyagala totuzamu ate Kasuku kano nga tetwakategedde omwatudde wamwakoze muti sebo
oba bakolere studio
nina abatulaba sound oluusi ensumbuwa ne bansuubiza sound
netalabika
ne banga Kasuku tugenda kuweereza bomb mic sibirabanga beeyogeza bweyogeza nga bw'obiraba but last week that was Thursday, Friday.
It was Thursday.
It was Thursday.
16th.
We are recording a count about branding, ne scientific elections. Tugenda mbululu oba online. Okunonya akalulu. Abantu ne bankubira amasimu nga baagala namba yo nagansoma namba yo wano. Nongano gisoma.
Era sagisoma neera bagifuno bagwera gye bawasimanyi. Esimu yange eri busy nnyo from all corners.
Kwegula nti
nabe wange bambuuza nti naye gwe simu saawa 5 ez'ekiro.
Naye kati
abakuba.
Abakazi babeera balowooza abakazi be batukubira.
Anti
so nga tuli mu business.
Kituufu.
Anyway. Katukomyewo waliwo abantu abali balina ebibuuzo abalala bagala enlightenment nga kanti luli mwanyumya nnyo ebyammwe ne mwejjukanya gye muvudde gye mulaga channel yange
buli kadde obawa package gy'oyagadde.
Now weekend tulabye NRM bajjeyo forms batandise picking abagala okwesimbawo netulabo bali ya unveiling political party ye it is so huge online and I think for him that is his biggest doing online presence ye ya amanya ayinza okuba tagenda kuteekamu nnyo ngate tulina ba MP bafe abamu nadala bali mu NRM abava mu byalo eyo nga totally they didn't have any online presence. Now after binebya picking nomination papers, I think next week bagenda kwa basimba mu mugongo akaluka NRM ka kusimba mu mugongo primaries balondeko ani agenda okujja ku flag
bendera ya
kati bamano kulonda kajira ku agenda okwata bendera awo akalulu we kagendo nyumira kuba omanya nti NRM erese no DPRS ono FDC erese no nebisigadde kati awo scientific elections zitandike scientific campaigns omuntu eyesimbyewo ngomaze okukwata flag ya NRM ofunye ka flag ya National Union Party nebisigadde soko kati awo omuyise mu process ayagala tandika scientific campaign ye.
Okay, kakati ekisooka abantu abasinga mbadde wano ndaba actually ne sheri natandika n'abatanafuna cards ezo tickets already batandise da scientific campaigns because two things are going to happen. One, nga wogambye NUP kati kibiina kigenda kuyita nomination zaakyo juka oli bayita za people power abantu ne bagenda Dr. Stella Nyanzi wa FDC ne people power
yagambye tava mu
FDC power exactly because they had told them this is just a pressure group, it's not a political party, so it will only have independence. But right now nomination is going to fuka nomination ngawe nagamba oli ekigenda okusooka the first fallout is going to happen now nti NRM for example Kampala woman MP ndaba Kanyike Shamimu bangi bagaba jeyo empapula yet NRM ina kuwako omu kati yigenda okubeera usually go batawadde mu primaries flag bagenda kujanga ba independent ndikakati olaba NUP ya Bobi Wine kakangambe era Kampala woman MP Shamimu wa kibiina ekyo lawyer waabwe
Malende
yagambye ye wa NUP era wa People Power then ate waliyo Dr. Sera Nyanzi owa FDC ne People Power kati anafuna bendero mulaja kuba independent depending on how things are going to churn out for example the clearest actual example bamwita Kidandali Kawempe North ayagala Kawempe North People Power ne NUP then Latif Sebagala yalukambye ajja kuwa Lord Mayor nari kati yakyusiza Kawempe North kati has either leave DP agene mu NUP so they are trying to see what they are going to do. Kati wabaze mu NUP for example, omukubo wataba mu ticket ejja kujanga independent. Kati all that is politics. And ekina kibeddewo ekyetaagisa nti woba ogambye nti kati ozze whether wone card ya NUP ng'okozesa umbrella oba oli independent nga gogera kozesa simu nga simbo yo olina okukola plan immediately. Ate kyensu ya plan okwa wagikola nadda. Because abasinga agamba babatampa official ticket nzijanganze.
Anti naye ajanga ye naye nga kadijukira akalolo sike kaluli tukuba rale inakubeera ku TV ku radio ba ku simu
sani kati ndoga kati plan yo inoba wagikola whether with NUP NRM ba independent no manya platform chizo ogendo kozesa oba wa Masaka municipality bamuyitane MP wa fono ye abadde ayogera oluzungu lulungi nnyo ate abe Masaka abasinga tebalwogera naye ayogera oluzungu lulungi nnyo tuli batini abalwogera anyway Mpuuga agenda kujja ate n'omwami bamuyitani na ayogera naye oluzungu oluzibwe nnyo mbidde bonna bajja mu Masaka
mbidde naye ajja ku Masaka municipality
naye obola ba mukulu Mpuuga kubanga mbidde ye deputy vice president wa DP bagamba bagenda babba akalulu mawaawe ticket ya DP mbidde Fred Mukasa mbidde kyovola ba honorable Mpuuga most probably yagenda mu NUP ya Bobi Wine DP agenda jiva Mukasa mu ticket agenda wali ku speed oyitegedde kana ero kwa yakola da plan ye namanye Masaka ali radio ki ikweta buddo bikitwala tugende suubi zeziriyo namanya bani abaziwuliriza TV kyezituuka yeziri national ne TV ezekye kitundu
kubanga anti kati awo omuntu kyabeera singa okwagala omumanya there is a research process
yes
kubanga olaba togenda genda ku buli TV na radio olw'okuba kuba kati luli bagamba nti abavubuka tebabeera involved nnyo mu politics kati bali involved bewandiisiza because you need to get those statistics bewandiisiza Masaka percentage rate yabewandiisiza eriki abavubuka bali bameka so then nolyoka omanya nti radio ki gye basinga owulira abavubuka abasinza okwewandiisa
ekyo nyine kyembadde ngamba nti research eri part of the plan oba egenze ku ground n'omanya nnyendo mukatale wali abantu bameka Masaka ekimanya wali abantu bameka ekitovu ku church abakatoliki waliyo bameka kati n'omanya nti bali bwe bati ne bwe bati no picking platforms kati ogedde ku radio TV kati n'ogenda ku internet n'omanya platform ki abantu beyo gye bakozesa Facebook for example ezo insights ezirina ndio manya Masaka abakozesa Facebook amwe bali emitwalo 2 abali Masaka municipality bali bameka abali active bali bameka ezo insights nazibera n'omanya Twitter bameka abagina abagikozesa YouTube bameka abanagiraba SMS bameka abayina amasimu smartphone ne feature phones obo deploying the research company or information your name kuwa katoba plan yogikoze notandiko campaigning because no nkubadde formal campaigns ezinatandika informal ezatandika dda because ko kyolina okumanya kabe NRM kaiba position kati bwe mwali mu campaigning buli decision kaje bali mukola eri political agamba nti face mask temuzambala is taking a political move na agamba nti musigale mu face mask
naye akola political move
abali bajjagira banga political move kyobola kati bagamba opposition the covid si wama right mutulekane tufaafagana because bobalaba into with covid restrictions they won't reach the people they want to reach yet oli ali ku side eri amanyi with the restriction he will reach the people he wants to reach then for you won't reach the people he want to reach
kubanga kati ye abamu bote bamanyidde kalulu kano ka scientific yamanyi genda muntu ku muntu nakuwayo ka sukali nakuwayo ka sabuni nawo ababoda amafuta waliwo omusajja eyangambye nangamba tusubiddwa tubadde tugenda babamba kwanze nga mugenda tubamba ati gwomanyi nga tuva enambole tuva kwewandiisa Chetubadde tugenda bakola.
Piki mmeka zigenda okutambula, taxi mmeka zigenda okukunga abantu.
Naye kibadde kigenda obbeera.
Sente zibadde zigenda kujja. But unfortunately, now maybe things might change in the next few months. Naye nga oba waplaninze bulungi, ekyokukola obeera okimanyi. Nti kati olina okumanya platform ki gy'ogenda okukozesa naki kye bakolerako. For example, oba ogenda ku Facebook. Facebook account tesusa abantu 5,000. Of course, those are the friends you can have. Yet you can have people following you on that account, but it has restrictions. Yet we in a page. It is a brand page. Inti Kasuku or ina Kasuku kukuwaza bange ya account.
Ya account.
Ina yato ina yo page.
Kasuku Live.
Exactly. The page ya Kasuku Live so kwa kuna abantu million 10. Obero bayina. Page osobola okulangirako, osobola okusasuirako sente, osobola okwerako campaign among others, yet kwa account obera restricted. Now no manya chewetaga. No genda ku Twitter. No manya Twitter chechikola ku Twitter because what works on Twitter doesn't work on Facebook. For example, on Facebook, osobola okutekayo omukogwe ebbaluwa nga ebigambo biri omutwalo gumu. Ebigambo 15,000. Byonna no postinga ku Facebook. Post yemu abantu babisoma. Yet Twitter onyimanya ina character limitations.
Twitter bali oba bibiri.
What 280. Exactly. Nti omanya nti awo ino kubanga oli brief. Wano wandi nnyonnyolodde nti Kasuku yenze gundi nava gundi nenva gundi eba Facebook. Yet ku Twitter ino kusamalizinga mu very few words and it should make sense.
I think even the type of people on the different platforms.
Exactly.
Abantu abali ku Twitter ate oba olugezigezi
mungi right now tujja kitunda bwe kiti LinkedIn ya professionals.
Connecting a professional.
LinkedIn.
Yeah, but LinkedIn where
and you're not very professional.
Because
if you're not very professional. LinkedIn ya professionals abasomesa abadokita bani networks zibeera wonti eno yaba saweni abakozi ba KCCA among others. Twitter is mainly for advocacy. Nti olina cause yagala okupushinga kyoba ye trendinga nnyo
nokola hashtag
exactly netambula mu bantu. It is mainly for advocacy. Kati kyogambe Twitter yalina abantu abolugezigezi bangi ne right now of course the entire population now has jumped to Twitter
because they want to appear.
Exactly.
They want to appear and bategeera what they tebategeera
kati kwenedda bangi bategeera of course tenza kutegeera ku level yemu they can't say nti bategeera ddala mu level yo kutegeera yanjawulo nenga bonna bategeera
anti waliwo abantu kati for example waliwo agula whisky okunywa whisky because yalabye Kasuku nga amunywa nenga tamanyi kyanywa
nga ye era bidde ku brand ambassador weyo company
kati waliwo
ne wabata ina sente bamuwonu credit
beba abana bolaba yekubye ekifaananyi ku Mercedes Benz naye tamanyi nti Mercedes Benz enywa beti maintenance yayo eri beti oba bomugamba nti what is your dream car, it is a Mercedes but in actual sense ayina kubanga avuga progress.
So Twitter ya advocacy mainly. Facebook ya interaction excitement. From what Facebook started, how it started, Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, was looking for a platform to connect Harvard students. So it started as a connection platform for students in Harvard, in the university. It was a Facebook, meaning a book that has everyone's face. Nti abaana ba Harvard bonna babenga balina ekitabo kuli face zaabwe ne bagifundwa Facebook. Neka nemane growing, it is the biggest platform. So katukuberako excitement, you can talk about anything. Osobola okwerako oyagala kwanirako oyagala kola lugambo okoirako etc among others. Kati ye Facebook. Kati of course waliyo Instagram
ya bifaananyi.
Bifaananyi, it is mainly about photos. Nti ebifaananyi ebirungi obula abakola Photoshop abasinga beera ku Instagram. Kuba kivayo nga kina leya nga mukaaga. Exactly, that was the one I was exactly. Kyovula abantu abekola mu sente abasinga batera okubeerako. Bali sitegezza mbu nabeerako abasinga bekola mu sente. Naye nga kiba kyangu okukoera mu sente ku Instagram. Because abajja aba ekigenda mu maaso bakiraba ekiddako inbox.
Inbox. Nanga wayi tukoze tutya.
Exactly. Kati eyo Instagram ekola. Kati waliyo TikTok. Empia kati yo ya short videos nayo just ya masape kunyumirwa kunyukanyukamu mu video obwo bumbi abantu bakola mu video wabo benyimbe ezenjawulo
ngono mwala yazina
exactly oyo munakenyo akola send actually nasembye okulaba nga kakati sende za saba ku page ya Facebook oyo mwala erinnya ndyerabidde
Aziyad
exactly Aziyad okukoera post ku Facebook ne Instagram ye just post yemu emitolo ja $10 manya emitalo ja Kenya 10 ze million 3.6 za Uganda.
Za Uganda.
Okoda ka short video aka TikTok dakiika 3. Emitwalo gya $6. Rather emitwalo gya Kenya 6, sorry. 60,000 Kenyan shillings.
Ze million zano.
Nga 2. Ka video just okakolera. Kati yerevo gye yatuuseeko yeti yatandika nga asaaga ne mugamba just ali mu challenge kati alina attraction akyo kati alina ne agency mu managing namba abantu nga 5 yaba feeding manager simanya client relations manager account manager akola skits akola rehearsals among others ngati yatandika nga asaaga. And now she's doing very well. Meaning now osobola chikola watch taddemu obuddebo. Kati ya TikTok, kati wali WhatsApp. Of course WhatsApp ya direct personal to personal communications. What you can call P2P. Injo yaka kugane kasukuno yogane direct. Yaka kugane kwa yogane direct. But of course ina element ya group. Njokola WhatsApp group. Kat for example yaka kwesimba o Masaka. Wino kubango ina WhatsApp group z'abantu be Masaka zonanga muuli. Ngabujike na maso.
Abakutula.
Exactly. Oyino kuba kona yabakutula ne yabana abasanyusa. Because alo bantu baita think tank yo. Ba strategies thing amuli mu group emo bantu nga 10. Buli kigenda maso mukira. Neli walo ne yabana muri jojja feedback. Because oyinza kuba oliyenga gokola strategy yo yeki you're not on ground. You know what is happening, so you need to be in all those groups. Because WhatsApp when you broadcasts, you just call broadcast to as many people as possible. And right now, because they are commercializing, you can even pay for package. You can watch WhatsApp business. You grow WhatsApp business account. Also, one no kulangirako. So no over no WhatsApp. No gonna WhatsApp business. So we kulangirako. E Brazil bali mukosa bali mujide stinga osobola okusasuyira ko sente bagita WhatsApp business ne Facebook shops ndikati otuke Facebook akusobola ofuuka omudaala n'otundira ko ebintu ne bakusasula sente nozi receiving. Of course, for it to work very well in a market like Uganda, they must integrate mobile money because we are strong on mobile money and very few on visa cards. Exactly. Now they are working on that. Your financial you are yogerako. You also kulanga ku Facebook no isasula off mobile money. Omuna gule ekintu kyo nasasula off mobile money. So no receiving automatically ku simu yo. The campaign no skwera ku Facebook no kola cause. You know, like you start a cause. For example, ya kwesi mbaku wa MP wa kila municipality. Neto ina send. No tandika cause abantu contributing. Ngaso kusasula by mobile money. Send no receiving because you know Ugandans are very generous people. Even when times are very hard like right now, if you have a genuine cause, people will contribute money. For example, in Nakugamba, in the Obama Senate, I think cause some campaigns have donations. Even here, it is possible. I'm very sure if Bobi Wine opens a platform for people to contribute for him money, they will contribute. The same way, if President Museveni says he needs money, all the companies will give him money for campaigns in one way or the other. The same way like in 2016, or you call Dr. Besige, abantu yamuwange bitanu, yamuwange olukumi, ngabuli waita. I think you can hear the because people believe in his cause. In the same spirit, I believe when we are to Kangambe, Patrico Mojoka, or CBS, Wabali Sias, I got a question or Jagend or question, Nagamba Neta Gabuyam, I'm stuck somewhere. People can contribute. Exactly. Nagam and Kati Wafe, about to remember Dembedam, because usually politics is really like that. You have to mobilize the resources. About to wait, Abagaga, you have to visit them. The Mutrabu Nakwa, they know about Rabasigadde, Katievio, so online. WhatsApp. And they send your level they want to commercialize WhatsApp and Facebook. Right now, also because a platform like GoFundMe, TikTok, Uganda, Zopa Limited, I want to tickets every vuru by the platform where you can start a cause and contribute money. Nazidi automatically wall about update. The rogue was a mutual juweze every juweze some juweze at the Kumi Abidi etc. Was monitoringa, not a day water as Ravida. Katievio, you know, Nabe of the Gerada strategy yeriwa. Platform chizo ogendo kozesa message chegera kwa platform bantu mekaba ogendo kurechinga bagaga chala ogendo kuwa sente bantu babujjo mekaba ogendo kuwa sente. If you're going to do some CSR drives, which people are you going to reach out? Are you going to donate to borders, people in the markets? Are you going to donate to people at home among others? Strategy. So all I'm trying to say in so many words is a comprehensive digital strategy for elections should tick all the boxes. It should be like the physical one. The only difference is that this is not physical. Even though I'm physical, pre-meeting, and contact person in Chadwajara, and contact person in Natete, but no bango of mine. No matter group yemo, command center, For example, you can watch story from Ashback to Yasadid deal, Kibamujaku command center ya people power and the Javia Mavija Nakolachi, Kaya salad, the parent, got done out your girl fish and then I didn't already. So can you know Kumanyabani water the command center of Esiga? If Yama with Babi to the Yuka WhatsApp or ya quarter screenshot, you know why get the night forward. Before you know, I mean Maui. So you know better king and you go again and win. Exactly. Kati ebyo nabyo nebera campaign yemu. Wobo gikoze bulungi. I can tell you I'm not good, neither am I a prophet. But I know if you do a very good campaign, the chances of you succeeding are very high. And because like they always say, if you don't plan, you have planned to fail. So as Africa you plan chijayina. Because you can't just wake up from nowhere. I haven't said you just woke up. I'm just trying to ask you
intention, desire the desire is there. However, we don't know the ability.
Exactly.
It
always starts with the desire. It's all about intention.
Exactly. Ability.
The chances are high to get a meet and Namugongo. No man, the Romans always the same.
Musajange desire Agina. However, question Jombos is there. Riding it around ability.
For example, different. There is a man who you know very well, who I will not mention right now. I'm going to question Makupalo in there.
Yes,
the plan is already in place.
Desire way.
The plan you call it
ability.
Ability way. A chiba change your right now, Badama is having to be a neighbor. Verification, certification, usually you know, but the bagama we are Ali in Deco. But you know, there's no harm in being Ali. So he's making sure whatever he needs is available. So that's what Gira popular. Mugamandi popular got to be verified. But we are going to Wajifuna. He's investing this entire month of August to make sure you're Nabi in. So that's why we are going. He is going to come big.
So we're to the
enough away to
I not digital strategy.
Very comprehensive. What I can tell you for free, no one about a one good day, he will have the best digital campaign. No one about a one good.
Do digital campaign and do include the billboards?
Billboards.
One of these billboards. No Sajanga J. Maokota North. Young Ambia Kaskuna Kubisiza posters. Then could be surface masks in the Korea. We could Friday, never them Western. Now you will go Kuvemba, Lokutu, Keshema, Busheni. Posters in you damn, Akuba Bantu Martin, but that Moita Musemba will Yanton Bantu Martin, but that poster jersey. Ziggy Davantu, but it's net billboard, billboard, which is top of mind awareness. Enjoy what a billboard and a child with a attention a billboard is a change in our country. And the billboard was the question mouth, for example, Kubalodi Mayor. Billboard, no, don't take a billboard is not tan, what is strategic in Tipu Square and Tadeo, about why no it over the then take a match in the Kira Road, then take a Kira Road, at least to a sure traffic. Okubisa poster enkumi 5 Uganda nga Kampala has an issue of jam. People spend a lot of time on the road. And we'll take a billboard Kira Road. The chances are high you will never get into Kujira. Meaning a billboard is what? Very important. Category YouTube YouTube campaigns. YouTube because YouTube China and YouTube China kati. Abantu I don't know go about to percentage y'abana Uganda abayina smartphones eyimiridde ku chi
smartphones ziri mu million 2 mu Uganda
si nyingi nnyo ekitegeeza
si nyingi nnyo remember you can access YouTube on a smartphone on a tablet on a laptop or a desktop computer
because watching gamba simu esimu kati ye gadget enyangu omuntu gyabera nayo nti nebebera otudde ovuga ogenda mbalala oteka mu earphone zo no connecting and no laba Rakuba, I don't know how people embrace YouTube so much.
People are embracing YouTube. Chobola woteka yo video. Efuna emitwale 5 ey'amaanyi ennyo. Nego batamanyi nganze nefuna 12. Meaning people are embracing YouTube. Because some exactly. Ngate sigamba nti waliwo abantu abamanyi. If 4,000 people can watch, meaning people are embracing for as long as you have the right content. To avoid a campaign akanyino kateka ku YouTube. The chances are high until you will grow. Now, 2 things are going to happen. Do you need a YouTube channel for you, the candidate? Because you're going to Shafiq Kayima. Do you need your own YouTube channel, or you want to rely on YouTube channels of other people? Of course, for the bigger picture, you need your own YouTube channel. But you know the challenge of YouTube channel is growing viewers.
It's growing viewers.
And subscribers. Yeah, it's very challenging. Unlike Facebook, no take a video. Munaku bili nefu na bantu mutwalo gumu easily. YouTube is a lot of hard work.
Nze kikola ku KFM. Ngendo okuvaako between 9:30 and 10 okay katubale 11 kwamba ka 10 zigendo wera sawa kale mukaga nga nino omutwalo gumu 14 abalabye video
kati nyinza kugamba mu May otwakola Hype Music Awards online munaku ntwalina abagira emitwalo 2 differently wano yotu otwabadde ku Fintech Landscape Exhibition ku page ya NTV onaku lwagenda okuziba nga abagira bali emitwalo 5 kati Facebook now you struggle on YouTube. YouTube needs a lot of resources, it needs a lot of hard work, so it needs a lot of good content. And then abayina views nyingi mubaba amaliko mubamukoze mulino mugwamanyi nabyo musajjawo atageja atakoga Imani abayimbi abafa exactly musibra yawiza aba subscribe emitwalo 10 very big number.
It's very huge
subscribers because ekibeera on abayina subscribe emitwalo 10 But video you take out notification. That's why they are subscribers. They are notified in Kasuku at the Yakapia. And the chances are high when they are notified, they will watch. They will share it. Take it, they look at your YouTube. A little hard. Not very hard, but it needs more resources. No babulango. Ku Facebook $2 or reaching about $2 or $5. Depending on what jettings, bracket dota jettings. Ku Twitter $2 wenza kususa abantu mbisatu obabina. Ku LinkedIn $1 is not just sobola kola. Ku YouTube $2 obero osaga.
Oba tulina
kyo osaga. Okay, nze nyina video kamenje twale tukola nga buli video tulina zako $10. Jintwala 7 for every campaign, every video ngotako $10 to get some significant impact on Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook, rather and YouTube. Yet on Facebook ngotako $10. No funa your impact no jisusana. Exactly kati ekyo kyonga kiba mu plan yo kwakola research yo no manya budget yo ina mmeka wo ogendo ziteka. But I wanted to say this. Abantu bagendo campaign na damu byalo. They should focus more on the feature phones. Obusimbo no butono because we buli mu byalo
oba SMS
exactly buli wendi nkufuna obwo obutono obwo bukatochi kabiriti
kubaka SMS kajja ku popinga ekito kyo Museveni yakikoyesa bukalwa akawende ngobero lyawe simu yonge evuga
bayita roboko
ngabogera nti this the old man with the heart
exactly abantu abagenda outside Kampala abatali mu cities bakozesa nnyo feature phones because they will reach as many people as possible and by message it goes on their phone toli luno wadde agisangako tegedde ndi unless nga deletinga nawo bayita magakola ndi ona iboka suku yatuweleza obaka tutumubereremo onako
ate bo bayi China excitement eyo sajja yatuweleza message yantegedde
enamba yajejewa ya be yedi nga tukimanyi nagamba ezo baluke messages buli muyinza ogifuna ku nusu mukaga meaning munusu mukaga oba ne message 10.
Okay.
Tegedde. Kati ngatumaliriza. Kuva omanyi obudde tulina bungi. Feedback je tusinza okufuna si abannabi abufuzi. Of course our video was about digital campaigns and digital scientific elections, but the most feedback we are getting is bantu balina small businesses.
Balina small businesses.
Abantu abasinga okukuba enamba yango bago yajiba wasimanyi nga nagamba tojibawa abantu nga 5 abankubidde ba small businesses. They have one challenge. One, they are scared with where this thing is going. But important baba byenyo. Kyo mukyala banedduka mu town ne mugamba wale smile byo kupostinga posts ku Facebook bichi omusajja najja nga sonko mpe millioni emu okucreatinga Facebook account. Ojukira omuyimbi ya million satu omucreatinga Facebook account. Sijja mwogera for just for my comfort naye omuyimbi jali no kubanga omumanyi beba musaza million satu mugulya Facebook account. A Facebook account is for free
of charge.
A Facebook page is for free. A Twitter, all those accounts are for free.
You know bigulirawo bwerere.
Exactly. Wobo biguddewo bye managing ngirenyi abantu basenga badenyoga nayo mbagamba if you have very little, if you have a small business you have no time to to be spending on saying, let me hire a digital agency. Your capital is 5 million, or 1 million, or 2. How can you hire a digital agency? Do you want to eat all your entire capital? If you are starting up, you can manage these things. Exactly. Gula page, younger will not go in a discipline. You can take a post here. Could be fine. Go team, you take a you. Call a minimum Jamie. Babos is bad demo.
Wakati cost ya renting after this COVID-19 abantu abasinga ba optins actually choyogere icho abasinga ba optins okumoving out of
buildings online
batadde material wa bamutadde mu motoka kati okwata products zoina notika ku Facebook WhatsApp biki kati oli akyagadde nakubira novuga nojja n'omusajja ngo wa salon yagambe taddayo mukozesa akasente kakoze mu corona
okay
waliwo omulala
waliwo nabyo ku NTV waliwo n'abantu actually abantu okidde bagala mu creating era app kubwerere nako sina ku
actually apps ezo nazo zikola
bagala mu koera platform kubwerere they like his story it is very nice bagaba mu koera platform kwagenda abantu am reaching nga wola abajumia nga wola aba safe border bam creating ile ya salon kubwerere
because now I think that ndaje kunonyeza I think now that is the way to go wakati ono chali wange yagula kapichi nateka kaka box emabega mwateka ebintu ebisala byani byonna kati yo mukubira bukubizi simu najja woni kati nangama ndikasuku mu kifo kyo kunkozesa wankole salon njiwe milioni buli mwezi ngamba ngenda omuntu ne musalo omuntu banganti ndi Masaka ne mga mitwala 2
wakiriza
kati wengendayo ne manti natademu after gate ano ne servicing yetano ndiddeke 10 nenga atowe Masaka inzo butasola kuva Masaka kujja Kampala gwe musala nvi.
So now what I'm saying is woba okologo omulimo you don't need to hire kasuku to manage your social media accounts because me and you don't have the capital. You don't have the resources. You are going to have a lot of costs which you can't manage. So what you need to do to start with, manage your platforms. Manage your Facebook account, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your YouTube account, your Instagram account, your TikTok account, your WhatsApp groups, manage them. Now, first thing is have good content and the product you are selling. Weba salon, you are salon. Making sure this smart. If I yoku bifana na bulungi, machine zompya. Amanyo tegakala katabantu. Tegabaluma mitwe 80C. Bikube bulungi okole bu short video. Ba client bo kusaze enviri mugaye kasuku. Osoko ngoleka video ngogama kusaze bulungi. Wakiriza kateke yo. Mikono ja kasuba ga umusajja asalungi nange mpe number. Echo chekole. You don't need to hire someone. Nowadays we have good phones. You don't need to go to a photo studio.
Nakati yatu kwa sasa
you don't need to go to a video studio. Okambiwa kusabe video unako mitwalo 10. Do it on your phone. Echo obochi maze. The other issue people are asking me about is how do we market? How do we sponsor? How do you advertise on social media? Kati awobuze wasinzo okuva Jolia janagama 1 million ya mtu advertise. Nateka $3 kwa account ye. Nagama million ye weddeyo. Yet there is also a solution to that. Two things are happening. First and foremost, there are credit and debit cards. There's a Visa card, Master card, so if they create your debit card. But still there is now mobile money coming up. Like I've told you, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, they are working on an API that will enable them integrate to mobile money. But right now, abantu abasinga bayina businesses entono bayina za account as a bank. Bank at singa zina Visa cards at ATM cards. Usually they either Visa or MasterCard, it is whatever it is. Esinga bazifuna kubwerere. Kasobula account UBM unako mwebe kuwadde. Senda munako mwebe kuwadde. Stanbic ETC ebe kuwadde. Kati yo card jo sasuza. Kati nza abantu chemba gamba again. If you want to boost your post on Facebook, you want to sponsor your post on Instagram and LinkedIn and YouTube among others, instead of you getting your 500,000 you and Nicholas Kalungi oba Kasuku boosting nga sente bazijja ku account yo automatically
ngolaba bwezigenda
reported check exactly
nayo fobera totujje abali benjawo totujje mu mulimo
kugambidde Kasuku we should be realistic. Our people, all of us don't have a lot of money. We are all striving to become better people, improve our lives, develop our families, have a good life before we all die. Anyway, we shouldn't be in a solution that has so many middlemen. and the middle women. Inti katokubustingira ziwe kasuko mwe dola 10 akoseka 2 obo mwe 10 ngayina emergency need asoka azitwaireko Nicholas out maybe tabani waje bulungi gwenge ebintu tebitambula
maybe anti kati maybe bagambe nti bana abandi badde ba middleman njawulo baleme kulya nyine
no
yogera $50 or $30
jaga tujemba middleman totally this ecosystem na middleman banafuna kebyo kola ebirala toinga kwa gomuli okubera middleman which job is that you a middleman on what?
Okay.
Brokerage you know kendera. Ebero where it is necessary. These are small businesses kasuku. Research businesses singing to midala. People have not more than $200 as capital. Chekede. Omuchalo musanga businesses mtwalo nsanvu. Nena nayo bya social media ngaisa okuteka ebyo kulya bye fresh fruits abantu baje bamuguleko kati gomugayembwa on managing ekicho managing.
Ate capital mulyebo.
Ekizaki kicho managing. Ebyo je nsanvu nakwa kono kuna ekyo nalabira ka abana be. Abasajja abasinga bali irresponsible tebali tubawera abana omukazi yabawera ku mudala nawe middleman moyagala okujira oli it's not acceptable. It is wrong the china kubera. So what is supposed to happen? What should happen instead? Abantu bafa abasinga basome bayige bintu ngja bikolamu
mpola
exactly kizalo abantu babiri benayogedde nabo ne mugamba let me teach you these things for free into Facebook wowo create inze page kasote kayo post wowe kigambe kijja boost post click on boost oteke mu dollar mekazo yagala okozesa naku meka akalangozo yagala karwaninge bateke mu details za credit card yo debit card yo Facebook yo kyekola buli akalango kamala okulwaninga ngesala sente zayo. I think at Facebook China, for example, depending on your usage and your advertising rate, but I go kuwa banja. Also, $1 very much no isasula. Now kuwa threshold, you can cost $1, $10 then you pay after. You pay exactly. They do credit score depending on how you are paying and how you are using the platform.
Okay. Kati, no topic njirabye ngazimuko. Mbadde njagala week ejja tukomewo mu tusoka tunulire
digital marketing
kubaka titwaite tumanyi nti osobola okufuna nebbanja ekyokulala abantu bangi kati ba blogger abasinga mu balaba bagenze bava ku accounts creating pages
omaye blogger abamuwandiisi blogging is writing
and
but you know we are misusing
what you the Uganda Bloggers Association.
The same way I always tell you Kasuku there is a journalist and a media person. I always try to explain to people. A journalist has news sources.
A media person
has clients. A media person has clients. Gwesimanyi wogwa inze
solo kubanga ndi journalist and media person omulundi
inze solo gamba wengwa I'm a journalist by training, a digital consultant by practice. Chicha practicing amawulire. Kati nego chali active kati go wotula we
journalist
odia kumanya wawo
the journalist and media person.
Now if you find a good balance between being a journalist and a media person, it's very good. But the problem is the journalism industry ngatumaliriza olwo gatogera ko kubanna mawulire. The journalism industry has been spoiled by media people, not the journalists. Media people yava ufiku sente anga basinga tebabisoma na bisoma.
Okay.
Tegedde go wasoma mawulire.
Nze nasoma mawulire.
At least we nayo byononeka ogamba kale nasomera ki ebintu byange byononeka. Olya jjanga
yali mu bamfirawo nnyo kubanga sina kirache manyi kitali mawulire.
Oli exactly kwa gwe yekali yayo. Olya jjanga yali mu buvubi yali DJ.
Nafuka wakabi
nga ndidde bisigadde saagala. Ekyo kyonona kyokola bankugamba. Obuzibu bwa mawulire bulengana yo music. There is like in Uganda there is a free entry and a free exit. Kyokola one day challenge the people. Before we talk about payment for banama which are all very important issues, tutandikire wantu wamu media houses zonna zituwe list y'abanama bazo ne qualification zabo. You'll be surprised with how many people will remain with at Dembe FM.
The discussion continues.
Yes.
So next week tugenda tunolirako njatu twogereko ne ku kintu ekyo ja journalist ne media person. Nina ekibiina sebo kyendeeta nina pressure group gyendeeta nga tugenda kwaffe tulwanirira ddembe ly'abamawulire. Nayagala ogireeta luli nga twakava mu kalolo ka Ujja naye abawujja ne baŋŋamba ati Kasuku ate bw'onooleeta ekibiina ne mbaga neddo kino tekijja ku rivalinga mmwe naye ate akireke naye ngenza olaba nga buli gye tweyongera kati tulina lupapula batuwadde signing a media council.
Okay, maybe okuddemu ekintu kino ekyo jakyogerako okuriyetinga ekiribiina ekirala kiriyanga kyekimu okugamba Bobi Wine yagamba ab'ebibiina ebirala nti people patagenda kurivalinga nammwe. Is it possible? Is it possible?
It is not possible.
But you know the good thing about it, there is no monopoly of associations.
Exactly.
You can have your association, even Uganda Journalism Association can be there. If they are scared, meaning they are weak.
Mine is not young techija kurivalinga ujja.
But somewhere, somehow, but in practice, and this was going to happen. People might find, at the end of the day, people might find my association peace more than for example, what is in Kenya? But we mean to Kenya. Yes, Uganda. Example is very good. A cat jubilee, a chivina chahuru neoruto. Abantu bauta basinga baba goba. Tegede. Katipoche bakoze cha bajita jubilee asili. Sote pamoja. We are moving together. Tegede. Eri alitoko pamoja. Kati ya bajita sote pamoja. Kone bagamba changu nyo. Office ya jubilee fe batukiriza agenda yo. Ana kutaka ku meeting to discussing. Kati creating office ya fe bajita jubilee asili. Nga bonna baganya ku meeting eri. Ba meeting reno ne naffe tuli bajubira akwate mutukiriza kwena ne secretary mutukiriza katufune ko office wala naffe tuba ena naffe tu meeting akyentegeeza kye kino ekibiina kyo bonna batafunye mukisa kubeera eri kubuja bajja kuba meeting awo eventually ojja creating awo jendala. So next week katonda abantu yambye to discuss SMEs
ebyo gula Facebook posting then betumala tunulire the journalist
versus the media person namanya tujja fulumi
ate basajja naye wewaza okwogera ko kibiina ekipya naye wala okwogera ku mateeka amapya ge balesanga abayimbi
kulanga ogambye ezo nazo na topic kwanga okwogera ku kibiina ekipya ekyonayo kyagulanyi. It is like you need like 2 hours. No manyanti NUP National Unity Platform. A Kenya platform for national unity. NUP at 2004. About there for 16 years. A political party is a vehicle to an election. If you understand that, in Uganda, in America, political parties are based on ideology. In Africa, a political party is a vehicle to winning an election. Usually most political parties disband after elections. Most coalitions disband after election. Because we didn't win. So what are we doing together?
Kasuku Live it's a Sunday morning to morning. Sunday morning until we meet next week. Thursday.
But subscribing is Thursday.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Meeting is oku Serena.
Meeting.
What is a night meeting?
Today HVina. Today HVina kyobomanya. Until next week, subscribe to our YouTube channel Kasuku Live. Twagala okwebaza omukyala ali ku kamera. N'omulundi omulala okolanga bwotyo bwe tuba tukuyise ne werekereza
posting ekifaananyi kye
mu posting nga mwebaza. Bye bye.